What's up guys, Pepperu is my name. Another day and another vlog. Another client of mine just throw away this CPU because it's not working. When I plug this on my desktop there here in our living room, there's no posts. I don't know what's the problem. So I think it's the memory before, and I have a working DDR2 memory. I install this and still the problem exists. The power supply, maybe it's still okay, or maybe the problem is the motherboard or the processor. I don't see any sign of the motherboard that is damaged or a capacitor that is leaking. Luckily guys, I have a spare LJ775 processor. I forgot the exact specs of that processor, but I'm sure it's a dual core, so it's still a good system. I can use this for watching movies or browse the net, or I can also configure this as a file server on our local network. There's no hard drive. I will gonna try to, what the hell, there's no hard. Okay, I already got the hard drive. Oh yeah, over here, small hard drive, 80 gig. Yeah, Western Digital, 80 gig. It's a SATA. I think I have no issues about this hard drive. It's still good. So to make it better, I have an old graphics card, a PCIe graphics card. It's a AMD HD 4350, I think. So there, HD 4350. So I will gonna install it here also in the system. So wish me luck guys. If I can still revive this old PC. This is just free. I didn't buy this one. They just gave me this, and I hope I can fix it and upgrade some parts like this, the memory, and also the hard drive. Wish me luck guys.
12 seconds later.
So this is the processor guys that came from the system. It's a Intel, I cannot read clearly, E5400 Pentium dual core. So guys, this is my extra LGA 775 processor. This is a dual core. Oh my god, I don't have a compound for the processor. I have to go to a computer shop to buy one before I will install this.
Few inches later.
So now I already installed the heatsink and the fan. So now I'm gonna buy a thermal paste. So I got the thermal paste here. What kind of thermal paste is this? Let's see. I already got the thermal paste. This is the thermal paste. Thermal grease HY510. Okay, apply to CPU, VGA, LED, chipset, and other PC components, and it's made in China. So minor problem. I cannot mount this hard drive here. Look at that. I cannot mount because this power supply is blocking the way. So I have to remove this power supply and hook this hard drive over here. Here, and we put screws. I already mounted the hard drive. By the way, I don't have any screws, so I used a thumb screw to secure the hard drive, and then I already installed back the power supply with screws over here. So now I'm gonna put thermal paste and I will install this fan. Okay, so I already put thermal paste on the CPU and also here in the cooler. I will not gonna use this one. Instead, I have a much better SATA cables here. It's brand new. It's sealed. So I have also here. So I'm gonna get two. Okay. So let's install it here. One on the hard drive and one here, the optical drive. Here are the SATA ports. Good. I already installed the cables, the SATA cables, the power of the hard drive, and also on the optical drive. And here is my SATA port on the motherboard. It's very difficult, guys, when I install the SATA cables because I have a big hand. Damn! And it's so small when you're going to connect the SATA cables on the motherboard. It's really a small factor casing. So anyways, I already hooked up, and so we'll try to test, and hopefully this will gonna post because I already replaced the processor and also cleaned the fan. Look at the fan, it's so clean. So let's ready. Let's do it. Okay, I'm using HDMI to connect on my TV because I don't have any computers because they are using all the computers. Okay, so I'm gonna use my TV so that I can test. So turn on the fingers crossed. Whoa! So there's the CMOS setup, and yeah, it's working. It's freaking working. So I will gonna install Windows, and let's rock and roll. By the way, are you wondering where's the unit? It's in the back of this TV. I will show you. Okay, just a minute. It's over there. Connecting to my TV. The LAN card, the keyboard, and the mouse is. I have a wireless mouse. I connect it also on my USB. It's there. Okay. So look at that. I'm now watching YouTube on my TV here in our living room. I will just put it here so that we can watch movies, my YouTube channel here on our living room. So yeah, it's working perfectly. And thank you, sponsor. The company just gave me this because they think it's not working anymore. I just replaced the processor and upgrade some memories, and I also put video card, and it runs. So that's about it, guys. So I have also the LAN cable. I will fix that. Okay, this is just temporary. There's the cable going to my PLDT modem. So there you go. So thank you, guys, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe also to my channel. And yeah, I gonna go now because I have still work later, and see you on my next video soon. Okay, bye folks, see you. Bye.